Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to Pakistan School Muscat in your maths class with your maths teacher Mrs. Vana. So in your maths lesson, we are going to learn some more points about the perimeter. As you're already familiar with this topic, so again, we are having the same topic today, and that is perimeter. What are the objectives of this lesson? After watching this video, you will be able to calculate the perimeter of a shape. What is the perimeter? Let's have a review. The perimeter of any shape is the total length of its sides, or we can say it's the total length of its boundary lines. Suppose you have the different shapes, and if you want to find the perimeter of these shapes, you will add all the lengths of its boundary lines, and then you will be able to find out the perimeter, as you have already learned about this. So how to find the perimeter of the given triangle? Look at this triangle. If you want to find out the perimeter of this triangle, you should know all the sides, all the lengths of the boundary lines. So let's see what they are. Length of this side is 5 centimeter. Second side is 4 centimeter, and the third one is 3 centimeter. So if we want to find out the perimeter of this triangle, we will add all these lengths to find out the perimeter. So perimeter will be equals to 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. And what is the answer? Very good. Answer is 12 centimeter. Look at this shape now. Find out the perimeter of the given square. Look at this square. To find the perimeter of this shape, we should know length of all the sides. If we are given one side length, we can easily write the other lengths. We can easily find the other lengths because you know all the sides of a square are equal. So if the one side is 4 centimeter, then that means in a square, all the sides will be 4 centimeter. So how to find the perimeter now? Perimeter will be equal to all these 4s, 4 plus 4 plus 4 and plus this one 4, and the answer will be very good, 16 centimeter. Well done. Look at this one shape. This is a rectangle. All of you know that in the rectangle, opposite sides are equal in length. If this side is 2 centimeter, then the opposite side of the rectangle will also be 2 centimeter. And if this one is 5 centimeter, then the opposite side to 5 centimeter will also be 5 centimeter, like this. 2 centimeter opposite to 2 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and opposite side will also be 5 centimeter. Now we can easily find the perimeter of this rectangle by adding all these boundary lines length. So perimeter will be equals to 2 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus this one 2 centimeter and plus this one 5 centimeter, and the answer will be, yes, 14 centimeter. Well done. What is this shape? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of you are familiar with this 5-sided shape. You know that a shape having 5 sides is called pentagon because penta is a Greek word for 5. So in this pentagon, all the sides are equal. So if one side is 4 centimeter, then definitely all sides will be 4 centimeter like this. So to find out the perimeter of this pentagon, we have to add all these 4s. So perimeter will be equals to 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 and plus this one 4. And that means 20 centimeter. Well done. Excellent. So let's have the summary of the lesson. Perimeter is the total length of all the sides of a shape. So if you want to find out the perimeter of any shape, you will add all the lengths and then you will get the perimeter. To get the perimeter, we will add all the lengths of the sides. So total length of all these sides will be equal to the perimeter of this shape. So students, watch this video again and again so that you can find out this concept easier for you. Inshallah, see you in the next lesson. Stay blessed and safe. Allah Hafiz to all of you.